Why do egos battle? Mine's better than yours becomes constant prattle. A naive soul I wandered in. Is it wrong to care if mine doesn't win? I hear the stories of how it used to be, but division and hate is all I see. What happened to respect? What happened to joy? And what of the dog? Is it only a toy? Why all the judgment? Why all the hate? If we love the same breed, why do we separate? Lift up each other, let the old ways fade. For the love of the dog, let a better world be made. We should strive for the breed, not for ego or pride. Support one another, turn back the tide. Such a passionate group with so much drive. Working together helps our breed survive. No show dog or worker is greater or more. A German Shepherd dog just